Street like a river, neon running wild. Sea like a mirror, wind like a guide. Oh, oh, we accelerate inside.
Chrome veins, night veins, city in the glass. I cash in effort, turn minutes into mass. Every turn a thesis, every gear a vow. I don't ask for later, I negotiate the now.
Pearl wake, jet flame, altitude and heels. I fold the storm to fit the shape I feel. From harbor to hangar, I author the flight. I turn quiet to thunder, shadows into light.
Give me roads that bind, and I'll make them purr.
Give me gates of stone, and I'll make them stir.
If the map is narrow, we'll widen the frame. If the climb is nameless, we'll give it our name.
Empire in motion,
Watch the world align.
we write our future in rubber and brine. If doubt draws borders, we redraw the sign. Faster than fear, louder than time. Hands on the wheel, hearts to the wind. Luxury begins where excuses end. From street to sea to silver skyline. Empire in motion, we rise by design. Engine like a choir of steel. Wake writes the truth I feel. Push till the skyline kneels. Keys like comets, dashboard stars. Every setback turned into parts. I built a throne from the steps I kept. Made a crown from the promises I made.
Silk on carbon, glass on doubt. Every almost I outgrew, I'm gone. I keep loyalty to work, faith to flame. Wear persistence like a family name.
Give me roads that bind, and I'll make them perf. Give me gates of stone, and I'll make them stir. If the map is narrow, we'll widen the frame. If the climb is nameless, we'll give it our name. Empire in motion, watch the world align. We write our future in rubber and brine. If doubt draws borders, we redraw the sign. Faster than fear, louder than time. Hands on the wheel, hearts to the wind. Luxury begins where excuses end. From street to sea to silver skyline. Empire in motion, we rise by design.
If the night is heavy,
We lighten the load,
if the gate is guarded,
we build a new road.
if the crowd says later,
We answer with now.
if the throne is distance, we turn it to vow.
Drive, sail, fly, on stone to stair, step to throne. Drive, sail, fly,
On.
we write the crown alone.
Empire in motion, watch the world align.
We write our future in rubber and brine. If doubt draws borders, we redraw the sign. Faster than fear, louder than time. Hands on the wheel, hearts to the wind. Luxury begins where excuses end. Or from street to sea to silver skyline. Empire in motion, we rise by design.
Street quiet,
Harbor sleeps.
our vow keeps speed.